Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be making a cute bear keychain slash charm from cold porcelain clay. I first make the bear shaped biscuit. I do this by making a cardboard template and cutting out 3 bears from the clay using the template. I then add texture on 2 of these cutouts using my clay brush tool. I also make tiny holes with my small clay circular tool. I then use chalk pastel and dust both these sides till they look like biscuits. I then add the center as the cream portion. I also use the circular cutter from before and cut out a part of the ear to depict a bite mark. To make the bear's body, I take a lump of clay and make it into a conical shape and flatten the part where the head has to go. I then add a small ball for the head. For the ears, I make 2 smaller balls and indent them. I also stick a lighter brown clay for the mouth and make it into a slightly triangular shape. I roll out some black clay and cut out bits for the eyes, nose and mouth. I also add in eyebrows using the same lighter shade of brown clay from before. I cut out equal sausages of clay for the hands and legs and stick them onto place as well as the biscuit made earlier. I then also add in light pink for the cheeks. After the clay dries, I glaze the whole thing and add in the keyring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.